Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to earn Dox airdrop on Binance LaunchPool. So guys, Binance will be listing Dox coin on 26th of August, okay, and they are doing a launch pool for Dox, okay. So I'll show you guys how to participate in this launch pool to get some of the Dox airdrop before the listing day, okay. So before we get started, you need to get Binance account, and if you don't have a Binance account, I'll leave Binance link in this video description for you guys to use to register an account to join Binance, okay. So first, let me open my Binance and let me show you guys how to participate in this launch pool to get some free Dox, okay. So this is my Binance right now, and if your Binance is like this, you need to change it to Pro because this is Binance Lite, okay. So to change it to Binance Pro, you need to click on this market, then you click on this Binance logo. You can see a Binance logo here. You click on it, then you click on Binance Pro. You see Binance Pro here, so you click on Binance Pro. Okay, so we have changed our Binance Lite to Binance Pro, and you can see there is a dashboard here, Dox Launch Pool, okay, which is warming up 6 hours remaining, meaning it will start 12 a.m. okay, on 23rd August, 12 a.m. Okay, so I'll show you guys how you can participate in this launch pool to get some of the free Dox token they will share, okay. But let's click on this to check something. Okay, as you can see, a lot of people have staked this, okay. You can see people have staked 13 billion plus, okay. And Binance is sharing free 22 billion Dox token, okay. You can see Binance is sharing free a total of 22 billion Dox token, okay. The launch pool duration is in 3 days, okay, meaning in 3 days we need to farm this token massively to get some of this 22 billion Dox coin, okay. And to participate in this launch pool, you need to get either FDUSD or BNB, okay. So to get FDUSD, you need to convert some of your crypto coins to FDUSD, and to get BNB too, you need to convert some of your crypto coins to BNB, okay. So let me show you guys how to convert your crypto. Maybe you have USDT or Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can convert them to either BNB or FDUSD to participate in this launch pool, okay. A lot of people have staked billions of dollars. You can see 13 billion plus currently staked for this Dox launch pool, okay. So let me go back and let me show you guys how you can participate in it. First, you need to convert some of your crypto coins, okay. Currently in my spots balance, I have TON and USDT, okay, and I want to use the USDT to participate in this Dox launch pool airdrop, okay. So first, I'll convert my USDT to FDUSD or BNB, anyone I want, then I convert it to it, okay. So if I want the FDUSD, I'll just click on this trade, then I click on this convert, okay, then I change this to USDT, okay, because the coins is in USDT. Then I change this to FDUSD, okay. So I'll search for FDUSD here, then I click on max because I'm coming to use all this money to participate in the Dox launch pool, okay. Then I'll click on preview conversion, then I'll convert it, okay. So let me convert it to FDUSD, okay. So I have converted my USDT to FDUSD. You can see my USDT has changed to FDUSD, okay. So what I have to do next is to click on this home button, then I'll click on this launch pool banner. You can see launch pool here. I'll click on that, okay. So since I have converted my crypto coins to FDUSD, I'll click on this FDUSD, okay. So I'll click on the lock on this FDUSD, and this will appear, okay. So I'll still choose this FDUSD, okay. So I'll click on lock on this FDUSD, then I'll click on max because I'm coming to use all these 37 FDUSD to participate in this launch pool, okay. So I'll click on max, then I'll click on lock, okay. So currently I have locked my FDUSD for the upcoming launch pool, okay. So we have 6 hours remaining to start the launch pool, okay. The launch pool will start 12 a.m. on 23rd August, okay. So you guys should be fast to participate in this LaunchPool. Okay, so this is how you can lock your FDUSD or your BNB to participate in this LaunchPool to get the free docs. Okay, and also when this 3 days LaunchPool for docs is over, you get your FDUSD back to your wallet, and also you get the free docs they shared to you. Okay, so if this video helped you to participate in this upcoming LaunchPool, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.